Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of spotless floors and squeaky clean spaces as we unveil the top 5 best Shark vacuums of 2023. If you're on a mission for the ultimate cleaning partner, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future reviews and cleaning tips. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional. This versatile vacuum isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a jack-of-all-trades when it comes to cleaning. With its lift-away feature, you can easily transition from cleaning floors to tackling hard-to-reach spots. Say goodbye to pesky dust and pet hair. First up, we have the lift-away functionality. Imagine effortlessly cleaning those hard-to-reach spots like stairs, furniture tops, and more. With the detachable pod, you can take the cleaning power wherever it's needed most. The powerful suction combined with its swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze. And for all you pet owners out there, its anti-allergen complete seal technology captures and traps 99.9% of dust and allergens. Talk about a breath of fresh air. Now, let's talk about the anti-allergen complete seal. This vacuum takes care of not just visible dirt, but also microscopic particles. The HEPA filter combined with the complete seal technology traps a staggering 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, ensuring a cleaner and healthier home environment. Attention, pet owners. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is your best friend. It's specially designed to pick up pet hair and loose debris, while also deep cleaning dander from upholstery and surfaces. Say goodbye to those stubborn pet messes. Running out of space while cleaning? Not anymore. This vacuum boasts an extra-large capacity dust cup with a 2.2 quart capacity. That means longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. Coming in at number 4, we have the Shark Rocket Pet Pro. Don't let its sleek design fool you, this vacuum means business, especially if you're a pet parent. Say goodbye to the hassle of pet hair with its deep cleaning capabilities. The self-cleaning brush roll actively removes hair wrap, making maintenance a breeze. With LED lights illuminating hidden debris, you'll never miss a spot again. Cleaning up after Fido has never been this easy. Coming in strong with its exceptional features, the Shark IZ462H Pet Plus cordless stick vacuum is a true game changer. Let's break down what makes it stand out. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes or high-traffic areas, this vacuum is up to the task. It's your trusty companion in keeping your home clean and fresh. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, this vacuum ensures you have plenty of time to tackle your cleaning tasks. The removable battery adds to the convenience, giving you the flexibility to extend your cleaning session without interruptions. The PowerFin's brush roll is a standout feature. It offers continuous cleaning contact, allowing it to dive deep into carpets and engage directly with floors. Say goodbye to those stubborn dirt particles hiding in plain sight. Health matters, and the Shark IZ163H understands that. The HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal work hand in hand to capture and trap dust, allergens, dander, and more. Breathe easier knowing the air you're inhaling is cleaner. And here's the cherry on top, the removable hand vacuum. Transform your stick vacuum into a lightweight hand vacuum for above-floor cleaning. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach spots and versatile cleaning needs. At number 3, we introduce the Shark IZ462H Vertex. This vacuum takes performance to the next level with its dual clean power fins, engineered to tackle both large and small particles on any surface. From hardwood floors to carpets, it's got you covered. First up, we have the hyper-velocity accelerated suction technology. This vacuum offers incredible cleaning performance while being ultra-lightweight. It's a powerhouse when it comes to tackling both hard floors and carpets, ensuring no mess is left behind. What sets the IZ462H apart is its flexology design, allowing you to reach under furniture with ease. And with its versatile wand, you can even convert it into a handheld for above-floor cleaning. The possibilities are endless. Say goodbye to interruptions with up to 60 minutes of runtime. The removable battery ensures you have ample time to get your cleaning done without any hassles. It's all about efficiency and convenience. Pet owners, rejoice once again. The self-cleaning brush roll ensures powerful pet hair pickup without any hair wrap issues. Your furry friends' messes are no match for this vacuum's prowess. Multi-flex technology is all about flexibility and convenience. Bend the wand to easily clean under furniture, or fold it over for compact, freestanding storage. It adapts to your cleaning needs seamlessly. Health and hygiene are priorities, and the Shark IZ462H Vertex understands that. The HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal work together to capture and trap dust, allergens, dander, and more, ensuring the air you breathe is cleaner. Stepping into the future at number 2, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Say hello to hands-free cleaning with a touch of advanced technology. This smart vacuum navigates your home intelligently, adapting to its surroundings. Prepare to be amazed by the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a versatile cleaning marvel that combines powerful suction and sonic mopping. Let's break down the features that set it apart. With its built-in AI, it learns your home's layout and optimizes its cleaning path. Plus, it's voice-compatible with virtual assistants, giving you the power to command cleanliness with your words. It's like having a personal cleaning butler. Say goodbye to missed spots with Matrix Clean technology. This vacuum operates in a precision matrix grid, ensuring multiple passes over dirt and debris. The result? Whole home, deep cleaning coverage that leaves no corner untouched. But wait, there's more. It empties itself. The bagless, self-emptying base can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. And guess what? No additional purchase of disposal bags is required. Plus, with the recharge and resume feature, the robot will recharge itself when low on battery and continue its cleaning mission. Stuck-on stains are no match for the sonic mopping feature. This innovative technology scrubs hard floors at a mind-boggling 100 times per minute. And for those extra stubborn stains, activate the Matrix Mop in the app for a 50% better stain cleaning in targeted zones. Precision home mapping takes this robot's intelligence to the next level. With 360 degrees LiDAR vision, your home is accurately mapped, enabling the robot to navigate and clean methodically. It adapts to your home's changes, avoiding obstacles day or night. And now, at number 1, we unveil the crown jewel, the Shark AZ3002 Stratos. Prepare to be amazed by its unmatched cleaning performance and innovation. Boasting the title of the most powerful Shark vacuum, the AZ3002 Stratos delivers unmatched suction power and hair pickup. With a staggering 1,416.0 watts, it tackles dirt, debris, and hair with ease. The AZ3002 Stratos features duo clean power fins and hyper-velocity suction for an unparalleled clean. With its self-emptying base, you can go weeks without worrying about emptying the bin. It's the ultimate solution for a consistently clean home. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors with odor neutralizer technology. This innovation guards against bad odors inside your vacuum, leaving your home smelling fresher and more inviting. Power meets versatility with the powered lift-away feature. Lift away the pod for motorized cleaning under furniture, or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor. It's the ultimate cleaning experience tailored to your needs. Cleaning up has never been easier. The removable dust cup comes with anti-wrap technology, allowing you to eject debris without ever touching the mess. It's convenience at its finest. Well, there you have it, our top 5 best Shark vacuums of 2023. Whether you're battling pet hair, tackling tight spaces, or just striving for an effortlessly clean home, Shark has got a vacuum for you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite pick, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more cleaning adventures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing cleaning and home gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those spaces sparkling clean.